So today I would have a practice on the power series. So let's solve let's change the color. So we have a problem number 1, which is d over dx square plus y is equals to 0. So with this, let's transform it first to something we will get mas maintindihan natin, which is siya is equals to 0. So ganyan na yung formula niya. So now here, we know that the formula of power series is equals to summation infinite n is equals to 0 an then x is equals to x naught over n. Now let's define that let x naught is equals to 0. Therefore our formula would be summation of into the infinite n is equals to 0 an x n. Now let's derive this equation. So for y is equals to 1, so we know that it is infinite n is equals to 0 and then an x n. So it's first if we derive it, so we're gonna use the power rule. So pag ginamit natin yung power rule nung pag-derive ng equation, so itong n is magiging 1, then an, then itong n, kasi bababa natin siya, so n, then x n minus 1. And after that, we know that second derivative na to is to, then n is equals to 2 na. So an, so yung n natin kanina, then yung n ibababa natin. So x equals to 2 2 na lang, n minus 2. So after that, is pwede na natin siyang i-substitute. So for the substitution, so from this formula, yan is that, so ito, kunin na lang natin para hindi siya magulo. Copy lang. Let's copy this. No. Wait lang guys. Copy. Paste. So from here, substitute natin siya. So ito, magiging summation to infinite n is equals to 2 an n minus 1 x n minus 2 then plus summation of 0 an x n is equals to 0. So, makita nyo na ito siya, and ito naman is ito siya. Diba? So, let's continue to solve. So, makita natin here din na magkaiba ang exponent natin. And also, yung start point. So, ngayon, yung gagawin ko is let n for only this to isolate this. It. Delete natin yan siya. And then, so let n is equals to n plus 2. So, dito, summation. So, ito, n plus 2 is equals to 2. So, a, ito magiging n plus 2. Ito magiging n plus 2 din. And for this one, magiging n plus 2 minus 1. Then, itong x is n minus 2. Plus 2 minus 2. So, we know na ito makakancel. Ito din, pag ginan ito, makakancel. Hold natin. So, ito magiging infinite. So, ito maging n to 0 kasi bumaba siya. And then, ito a. So, 2 then n plus 2. Then, ito n minus n2 plus 1 is magiging n1 lang. X is equals to n. Then, plus, after that, bababa natin yung isa. 0, a, n, x, n is equals to 0. Now, we have the same, so, same na ang ating starting point, same na din ang ating exponent. So, now, we can combine these two. So, pwedeng siya natin as summation of n is equals to 0. Yung loob is a, n plus 2, then n plus 2, n plus 1, then plus a n times x1 nila na xn is equals to 0. Now, from these reviews, natin, we can now manipulate the inside. So, ito. Manipulate natin siya. So, meron tayong a by n plus 2 and n plus 1 plus a n is equals to 0. So, para magkaroon tayo ng equation, para makuha ang an, kukunin, i-isolate natin to siya sa kabilang side. So, magiging a n plus 2 is equals to ito, yun natin doon. So, magiging negative siya an over n plus 2 and n plus 1. So, magiging ganyan siya. So, after that, we can solve now for an. So, magsa-start tayo here. Diba? So, n is equals to 0. So, magiging a lang. Ito magiging a 0 plus 2 over negative a, yung 0 natin, then 0 plus 2, and then 0 plus 1. Then, ito magiging equals to a is to 2 equals to negative a0 over 2 plus 1. So, hayaan mo natin siyang ganyan. And I will show you bakit mamaya. So, now, try natin si n is equals to 1. So, for n, a would be 1 plus 2. Same process lang. Negative a, this would be 1. Then si n natin is 1 plus 2 and 1 plus 1. Ito, magiging equals siya sa a is equals to 3 equals to a1 over, ito magiging 3, ito is 2. Now, for n is equals to 2, so magiging a, 2 plus 2 is equals to a, negative a, 2, then 2 plus 2, and 2 plus 1. So, ito, magiging a is to 4 over negative a2. Ito, magiging 4 and 3. Now, we see here an a2 and si a2. Diba? So, anuhin natin siya ng ito. So, a2 is equal to negative, then negative a0 over 2, 1 over 4 and 3, which equals to, ba natin nalagay? Ito magiging equals to, magiging positive na si a0. So, therefore, 3, 2, and 1. Diba? So, after that, mayroon naman si n is equals to 3. So, for a, it is a 3. Same process. A, 3 plus 2 equals to negative a, 3, then 3 plus 2, and 3 plus 1. So, ito siya magiging a5 is equals to a3 over 5 and 4. So, makita naman natin from kanina si a3, which is, nandito siya, si a3, ito. So, yan, si a3. So, si a3, siya, ay, ito, negative to, diba? Negative, then, a1 over 3, 2. And 4. So, magiging equals, magiging negative si a1. Wait, nagkamali ako daw at negative to. So, negative. So, this would be positive na. Sorry, guys. And then, ito, magkakombine na natin siya. 5, 4, 3, and 2. Diba? So, let's stop na lang sa a3. So, eto, kaya ko siya hindi ko non-vine kasi makikita nyo na dito is negative a0 factorial siya na 2. Ito dito equal siya sa negative a1 over factorial siya ni 3. Same here. Yung a0 na positive, magiging factorial siya ni 4. Ito din, a1 factorial siya ni 5. Diba? So, pwede natin siyang i-box. Ay, yun. We have this and 4. So, ngayon, pwede na natin siyang ipagsama. So, we know from the equation, from the original equation ni power series na summation, wait, let's not use block. Na the original series na y is equals to the summation infinite n is equals to 0. So, a n x n. So, ngayon, from this, pwede natin siyang expand. So, eto, from dito, so y is equals to a0 times x0 to 1 plus summation na kasi diba, adding. So, yan, 2x1 plus, then a3 x3 plus a4 x4 plus a5 x5 plus dot kasi continuous series siya up until infinite, diba? So, ngayon, pwede natin siya i-substitute dito. So, pwede ilagay na y is equals to, wala namang a. So, ito makakancel din to. So, ito, magiging a0 lang siya. Plus, ito, magiging same lang. a1 x1 plus si a natin. So, ito, so, si a natin is ito, which is ito siya. So, ito, so, hindi na siya positive. Negative na siya. So, negative a0 over 2 factorial x square plus yung a3 natin na, wait lang, positive siya. Negative din siya, which is a0 over 3 factorial times x3 plus yung 4 natin, which is itong positive na siya na a0. Wait. Hindi ako dito. Dapat is a1 siya. Over 4 factorial plus a1. Kamali na naman ako. So, ito, may x pa to siya po, x4 plus a1 over 5 factorial x5. So, yan siya. Ay, nakalimutan natin si plus dot. Pinaka-importante yan. Si plus dot. So, ito, after that, pwede na natin silang ipagsama-sama. Kasi, diba, si 0, ito, and then, ito, and ito. So, we can, pwede sa atin ng ganito. Y is equals to, a0. So, ito, meron tayong 1. Second, minus. So, ito magiging 1 half factorial x square plus 1 4 factorial 4 plus that plus, right, A1. So, dito sa A1, meron tayong X, so X. So, minus, ito magiging 1 over 3 factorial X3, and then, plus, okay, 1, X5, plus that. So, yan. Yung ibang mga professor, pwede na sa kanila yan. So, sa professor namin, pwede na to as a solution. Kasi, pero if gusto nyo pa ng, may mga series to. Pero, eto, dito na ako magsa-stop kasi ito lang yung required sa amin. And also, ayan. Pwede din siyang i-rearrange na yung sagot niya is magiging ganito. Yx is equals to A0 Y1 X plus Y1 Y lang. A1 means A2X where that Y1 X is equals to 1 minus 1 half factorial X squared plus 1 half. Ba't nawala to? X4 plus that and Y2X is equals to X minus 1 3 factorial X squared plus 1 plus that. So, pwede siyang ganyan. Wherein, makikita nyo tong series na to. Mga iba't ibang series, ganun. Pero ako dito na ako kasi parang same lang naman. Diba? Pero, I think nakadepende talaga sa professor niya. Pero ako dito na magsa-stop. And, yun lang. This is actually for myself. So, depende na sa inyo kung gusto nyo panoorin. That's all.